Guys, Toyota Land Cruiser LC70. This is a hard starting issue. There's a no start when it's cold. Off. This is a hard starting issue. So let's fix this problem. I check the fuel pressure using this fuel pressure tester. Is fuel pump is good. So let's go to the map sensor. And this is the map sensor. Just clean it. Just remove this to screw bolt. Remove this and clean this map sensor. If it is dirty, this cause kinda hard starting. But let's try to clean this map sensor. Use this contact cleaner. After it clean, so guys, after it clean, just put it back and try to start the car. That's an engine, it's a V6 engine. So after I clean the map sensor, now let's try to start the car. Oh, now it's good. The car is start quickly. So that's it guys, thank you.